The curvaceous beauty has made a name for herself thanks to her curves and endless body confidence. And Ashley Graham paraded her sizzling hot body in all its glory on Saturday as she took to social media to announce some exciting news to her fans. Uploading to her official Instagram account, the stunning 21-year-old slipped into a very racy pink swimsuit as she teased at her new swimwear line. Ashley looked incredible as she showcased her mega curves in the tiny cutout ensemble from her latest collection named Swimsuits for All. Flashing her winning smile at the camera, the busty babe playfully roller skated on the set of a photo shoot for her latest designs. The model opted for a retro theme for the shoot, adding a quirky sports hat and some bright blue socks to the look. Ashley, who is married to director and producer Justin Irvine, styled her brunette tresses into a sleek ponytail while her stunning face was made up with a slick of heavy liquid eyeliner and a soft lip. She captioned the smoking hot snap, "You asked and now it's here. Gave you a sneak peek of this suit last year and so excited for you all to be able to wear it." Needless to say, it wasn't long at all before the stunner was inundated with comments from her whopping 8.2 million followers, who flocked to gush over her racy display. One user exclaimed, "Could you be any more beautiful?" A second chimed, "I don't even get tired of how beautiful you are." While a third admirer added, "Gorgeous woman, simply gorgeous." While a final fan declared, "This is what real curves look like." Speaking to Page 6 about her own battle with self-confidence previously, Ashley revealed, "Every kid is going to go through the same thing. Having more role models, more women who are like, yeah, I have cellulite. Yeah, it's even on my arms, not just my legs. My butt is a really bizarre shape, but you know what, whatever, I'm just going to go rock it." I think if we had more role models like that, who were really just speaking their truth about their body and the skin that they're in, then maybe young America would be different.